In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use the Calendly Embed code, a quick and easy way to integrate your Calendly event scheduling directly into your website. So, whether you're looking to streamline appointment setting for clients or simply want a more professional look on your site, embedding your Calendly is an excellent option. Let's dive into the process. To start things off, you'll need to navigate to the Calendly homepage. Once you're there, the key is to locate the event for which you'd like to generate the embed code. This could be any of the events you've set up or any specific one that you have in mind. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can view and select these events seamlessly. After you've identified the event you'd like to work with, look for the Share button, which is situated conveniently beside the event title. This button gives you access to a variety of sharing options. Clicking it is your gateway to obtaining the embed code you need. Next, you'll see an option named Add to Website. Choose this option to move ahead. This step is crucial as it opens the pathway to incorporating your event directly into your website layout. Calendly makes it user-friendly and straightforward by offering this feature. When you click on Add to Website, you'll be given multiple ways in which the event can be embedded. In this guide, we'll focus on the Inline Embed option. This allows the Calendly widget to appear directly within your web page, clean and professional looking. It's especially useful for maintaining the flow and aesthetic of your site without popping up a new window or redirecting your visitors. Once you've selected the Inline Embed option, simply click on Continue. At this point, you're just a step away from obtaining the code that will meld your scheduling capabilities with your website. Finally, you'll be presented with the embed code. This is the code you will use to place the scheduling widget on your site. It's a simple copy-paste job from here. All you need to do is insert this embed code into the HTML of your web page where you want the scheduling tool to appear. This will enable your clients or users to schedule directly from your site without needing to leave the page. And there you have it. With just a few quick steps, you've effectively integrated your Calendly schedule into your website setup. This process not only helps with aesthetics, but also enhances functionality by making the scheduling process more accessible to your users. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to make the most out of your Calendly account.